Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign up on KakaoTalk. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your KakaoTalk app that you have downloaded. Then right afterwards, go ahead, tap on this option of a sign up. Then you have to agree for this. Make sure you simply are agree to terms and condition. You're over 14 years old and everything, and you are eligible. Tap on agree and continue afterwards. Then you're gonna have to choose your country, then add in your number, tap on OK, tap on OK for you to receive a verification code. Then you simply have to tap in send verification message for you to get the code. Tap on the send icon and the message will be sent to them. Then you will shortly receive a code for you to add in. Tap on check verification. Then you will paste the code that you have received on your SMS. Once you have entered the code that you have received from KakaoTalk for the verification purposes, you will be able to create yourself an account likewise, and you are good to go. So as I mentioned, it will require for you to get the verification code is the most important part of the signing up. Once you have got the code, add it in and you're good to go. So that is how easy it is. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.